Alright, finally, we're going to check out the haul from Costco from March 2nd. I bought toilet paper because they were hard to find at regular stores. Alright, here we have Success Shampoo for Men, 4.2 times refill for 1200 yen. Next we have a bottle of dish detergent, 800 yen, 1500 milliliters. So pretty big. And then 16 cans of tuna for 1600 yen, so about 100 yen or $1 per can. And then we have a bag of hard bite avocado and lime flavored chips. They're like kettle chips. It wasn't so good. 700 yen. And instead of beef jerky, this time I went for turkey jerky. 1200 yen, a bit cheaper than beef jerky. Pretty big bag. And my favorite dessert from Costco is this triple cheese tart. 1280 yen, and it can serve up to 14 people, I think. Very big pieces. And then I have Roca Butter Crunch with almonds, 800 yen. And I hadn't had mayonnaise from America for 2 decades, so I got this Best Foods mayonnaise for 800 yen, and I regret it because no one else liked it. Japanese mayonnaise is just better. Alright, we have frozen blueberries, 5 pounds for 1200 yen. I always get this. I put on yogurt or on the cheesecake. Very good, very cheap. Regular stores will sell 500 grams for $4. Alright, next we have Johnsonville chili cheese franks, 800 yen for 2 packs, so that's 12 francs. And then we got Costco or Kirkland's pork dinner franks for 1200 yen for 12 very big size franks. Costco size franks. Right, next we have 40 frozen 10-inch tortillas for 1300 yen. And this is very convenient because you freeze them, they don't go bad. You just take out 10 at a time and make a dinner with it. Alright, we got this French bread, 400 yen. You can make at least 10 sandwiches with that. And then we have Pietro Italian dressing, 600 yen. And for me, I got the tomato dressing, very low calorie, 400 yen. And this is the Tillamook Colby Jack cheese, 2.5 pounds for 1200 yen. Not sliced, so you gotta do it yourself. So it's a bit cheaper. Asparagus from Mexico, 300 yen. So about 10 of those. Alright, now we have some beef. Beef top blade, 2.48 kilograms for 3,400 yen. Okay, USDA choice beef, okay. And next we have some fresh cod from Hokkaido. These fillets are 917 yen for 936 grams. So about 2 pounds. Is that right? Alright, we have mixed nuts, unsalted, 2.5 pounds, 2,200 yen. And then we have this Chinese soup base called Wei Fa. Very popular. 1 kilogram, 900 yen. Good for soups, good for any kind of stir fry. Just a spoon or so and your dishes will taste like authentic Chinese food. Alright, then we have Campbell's ready to serve New England clam chowder, 1200 yen for 2 very big cans. I think they're like at least 2 pounds each. Alright, we got some kimchi, 1.2 kilograms of Korean kimchi for 600 yen. And this time, instead of getting sushi, I got their sashimi platter. Let me just put this cheesecake away. You can see I have 2 Costco bags. They'll keep everything cold. So here is the sashimi platter. Very big platter. This will feed a family of 5 at least. So 3680 yen. You got tuna. You got salmon. You got some other red snapper. Alright. So that is 3,680 yen. Kind of expensive, but cheaper than getting it from supermarket. Especially that kind of cut where everything is like very thick. And then we have ground beef, 2,050 grams for 2,214 yen. So I freeze all of them and just take out a block each time to make pasta or Mexican food. Alright, the next thing I got was this fry pan from Tramontina. 12-inch fry pan, 1,700 yen. It's kind of heavy and kind of too big for Japanese stoves. Alright, 2 bags of Japanese rice. One is from Akita, one is from Saitama or Chiba. They're about 3,000 yen to 3,300 yen each for 10 kilograms each. So at this time, rice was being kind of bought out by everybody who's like stocking for the apocalypse. And then we have bath tissue, 30 rolls from Kirkland, very soft, 2,100 yen. Then some pizza slices from the cafeteria for 400 yen each. And then a roast chicken, a rotisserie chicken, 699 yen. So that is probably the best deal at Costco. And we got some premium paper towels, 12 rolls, 160 sheets each, and they can they're half sheets, so kind of easier to use. And then we got another set of fry pans, 2 of them. One is 24 and the other is 28 centimeters across, from Germany. Very non-stick pans, 3,000 yen. Very nicely made. You can see there, infinity diamond coating, so it's very good for making fried rice or egg or stuff that stick to a normal pan. Alright, let's check out these pans a little bit. Quite nice. And the last thing I got is behind the paper towels. We'll get to there. Let's check out how I packed everything. So these are the bags from Costco. You can buy from them for about 1,000 yen or $10 for a set of 2. So that'll fit mostly everything. Okay, so the last thing is the Korean beauty vinegar mix. So you mix this with water or club soda. And that's 4 bottles for 1,600 yen. Usually one bottle is like 700 yen at regular stores. So quite a good saving. Alright, so this is my haul. The total was like over 50,000 yen or 500 US dollars. And for dinner we had the sashimi platter and some steak meat, the top laid steak with a Korean kimchi and lettuce wrap. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the channel, and make a donation if you want to. I'll see you guys next time.